Hi everyone, today it's actually a Saturday evening and I'm actually going to the construction project, and today we're actually finishing with working on the latrine. We're actually doing the screeding, and then we're also plastering the other parts which we're not able to work on it. So guys, let's just get started and let's sit and grab a cup of coffee and sit and watch and see what is going to happen. Hey, my name is Josh. Welcome to Josh Bravo UG. Kindly check that out on YouTube. So today, in fact, I've reached at the construction site, and let me show you what is happening at the moment. You have to forgive me because of the noise. We are at where I'm recording. It's actually, the street is just ahead of us. But anyway, let me show you guys everything what is happening here. Let me take you in because I'm showing you all the entire project. We're working on our latrines today. I guess, I don't know, maybe it might be complete today or it might not. If it is not complete, it's just only going to be just a little bit left. But let me show you what is happening right now. The latrines have been transformed, brand new latrines. So that office is very important. Anybody in this entire world uses this office. This is the office you don't have to run away from it. So we had to renovate it, and now we're making it's a brand new office. So guys, always thank you very much for always watching my videos. It's an amazing day and it's a blessed day. It's another special day that I'm able to deliver you guys such a sweet content. So let's go through and check this out. So this is the entire team that is helping us with the whole construction. So they're doing the reveal work, working on it. As you can see, they're making it straight, and even the floor, they are working on the floor at the moment as we're speaking. You see that? Even the bathrooms, they've worked on it. Let me show you guys what is happening in the bathroom. You can see how they worked on the bathroom. This is screeding. So you can see they're screeding even here, everything. You can see all this they're putting here. This is raw cement, and they'll be screeding on it. So introduce yourself. This man is saying this man is laughing because of the other guy is calling his name on the phone. So you can see they've made the reveal work so nice. See all this. It's now a nice office, and people have to enjoy that. So, Enuga is holding that. It's called Martin. He's holding the street egg. So right now, that is what they're happening. That's what they're doing actually at the moment, because it's already the evening. It's already in the evening, and they are summarizing with the work for today, and then definitely maybe again that will be on Monday. Is when we shall also work on other parts. Today we are being a Saturday. We are concentrating on the latrines, and then I guess on Monday we shall also concentrate. In the other main house, whereby we shall work on the veranda, and then we shall see what happens next. So guys, I'm very happy that I'm able to show you all this entire project, and you guys are always watching my videos. Thank you very much. So look at this. Look at the entire project. The transformation of the biggest office. I guess that is going to be my title. Transformation of the biggest office in the whole entire world. The most vital office in this entire world. Yes, so guys, what do you think of all these innovations happening? What do you think about this? Something very, very sweet to do all this innovation. Let me take you at the back of the bathrooms. They have also dug the hole. My dad has dug the hole whereby the water when you take a shower, it flows into that hole. So let me show you guys. And they've also improvised the place whereby the water can be flowing. There are also pipes running into that. They have built something more modern. Of course, it looks like a manhole, and then water keeps dropping into the hole. But let me go, instead of me talking a lot of stories, let me go and show you guys. So this is what I was trying to talk about. This is, you can find that this it looks like a manhole, and we have also put in the pipes. So when somebody takes a shower, water will be flowing right in that, and they've made it in such a way that it's slopey, and water will be right coming to this hole. So we have got, I've got the entire team working hard, and they're always making sure that the construction is going on. So let me introduce you to somebody. He has to introduce himself. You need to plaster. Yeah, you need to plaster. This. So that this water can flow very easy. Yeah. So introduce yourself first.
My name is Sebastian.
Yes.
We are busy trying to renovate the, how do you call this, bathroom? Yeah,
the bathrooms and the latrines. You know, this is the most biggest office in the whole entire world. Everybody has to use it.
Yes.
So it is very important.
Right now, so deep.
Mm-hmm.
That's why you see that
So what did you use for digging this hole?
The hole, just.
With the hoe?
I've been using it.
But we have hopes of increasing, because we need to put, we are going to put
let it be like that.
tomorrow.
If you can add.
No, we are going to add there. We are going to add. We're actually going to add, because we need it to go more deeper, because we are going to put the hardy core.
Okay, if you can help me. For me right now, I'm tired.
No, I'm not saying right now. We are going to do this later on.
Well, we'll be in charge.
I'm not saying even tomorrow, but any other day we shall do it.
Yeah, you know.
So that is what we are talking about. So we shall increase the depth of this hole. You're Mr. Engineer?
Yes. So I'm training this guy on my side, from my right hand side. He does not know anything.
He has to learn a lot.
He has to learn it very well, but he's overturning me as looking towards the roads where the guns are.
Mister, introduce yourself. What?
My name is Okoye Jonathan. I am ready to look that.
That is good. That is good. You're ready. All right. So we're having fun here. We have another person right here. Morris UG. Yeah. So, guys, that is the whole entire team we're having here to help us with all this construction, to make sure that it runs and everything is perfect, everything is running smoothly. And I'm always very happy that you guys are watching my videos. In every video that I upload, at least it's more than 100 people watching my videos, and that is something that I really appreciate, and I don't take that for granted. I want to appreciate everybody for all the efforts that you're doing. Now we're running to 5,000 subscribers, guys. Anyway, keep on subscribing, and I'm so glad that you guys are always supporting me by subscribing to my channel. So let me show you more, and let me take you to the main project itself, where we have ended up at the moment, and then of course we shall also continue from there. I guess maybe that will be on I think that will be on Monday is when we shall also continue with our project here of construction. So I was passing by at the backyard. You can see we also had to cut down the trees. We had cut down this tree because it was interrupting with the whole entire project right here. So let me try to show you that in this project we're trying to work on the veranda, and let me show you at the moment what is happening here. So at the verandas we actually put in the concrete, but unfortunately that when we put the concrete it rained so heavily, and this area we did not compact it. We are going to still do a lot of work right here. It rained and you can see that the lintel itself it's thin, but we are going to work on with the screeding. So that's what you see at the moment. You can see there are a lot of depressions, but that is going to be worked on because there was a lot of rain and everything, so we need a net compacting it very well. So that is how it goes. So you can see here it has been compacted very well and everything is being sorted out, you know. So we have to be putting even here electricity has to be put here, and this is a big meter box which is going to run for all these entire rooms, and we are going to put 3 meters at the moment because we have 3 rooms, so you can see all what is happening. By the way, our compound is so muddy because we have not completed everything. Check this out, how the project looks like. Let me show you. So this is so far the project that we have worked on, and I'm so glad that I do appreciate what we have started and what we are doing at the moment. I'm very happy for this. So this is how it is, you know. When you come into the room, it is so dark and there's an echo in it. We have the ceiling board, everything. That is our old house that we built. We have a beautiful mango tree. It actually gives us organic fruits throughout the year, so you can see, even you can tell we've already finished having the first harvest. We're already having the second harvest, and we're having the mangoes right here with beautiful flowers. And by the way, the funny bit of it, you can see here, this one's totally different. It's totally different variety, and the other side also it's a totally different variety. So we had the 2 trees. We are having 2 trees here with the 2 varieties on it. So this keeps our compound everything, you know. So you can see all here. This is so far what we have done within a period of 2 weeks. I think 2 weeks or close to 3 weeks now. You can see all this. So we do have also the provisions of sockets and double sockets. You can tell how large that is, but that is so far how we are working on with our project. I'm sorry for the music at the background. I don't know if this is going to be safe. This video is going to be safe because of copyrights, but I know things. We have a church nearby, so that they're practicing. It's a Saturday. They're practicing for the Sunday service, so that's why I'm actually trying to talk so fast, you know. Anyways, thank you very much for always watching. Josh, Bravo, UG, all the way from Uganda. And we have got the entire team here. What is your name?
My name is
Joseph Ome. Can you smile? Smile. Look at the camera. You man. Hey, this guy he's losing teeth. He's losing his teeth. That's why he's fearing to smile. What is your name? Jonathan Achai. So these are all my younger brothers. Hey, say your name also. What is your name? Amoiti Gloria. Where are you from? Hey, okay. What about you? What is your name? Achen Joyce. Oh, Achen Joyce. Okay, we have got new members right here, but I'm back at the backyard here. I'm taking you again. This is our backyard, and then we have got a street across here. You know, that is what we are doing. Always you guys are checking up on Josh Bravo, and I do appreciate all the concerns. You guys are always finding out what is happening with Josh. I'm back live and very active and ready to be sharing this whole entire content with you, because we got amazing projects happening, and I wish like I would show you all this, but let me try to raise my camera into that elevation where you can see it very well. So you can see how they've worked on that bathroom. You can see the renovation. You can even see there's a door being installed right there. Let me try to show you even the people working right here. This is what is happening. That is what you see at the moment. Anyway guys, I think I'll be ending up this video right here. Anyway, thank you for watching my videos, and I want to say peace to you all. Ciao ciao. I think that is in Spanish. I'm learning Spanish. Como gusta usted, guys. Thank you for always watching.